Hey guys, this is Paul with Forgotten Loft again. We're going to do a short release. This is some of my young birds, and we'll just see how they do. Alright guys, here we go. That's what I was afraid of. Wow, that was close. See, the wind is kind of strong. Are you getting them, deer?
Yep.
Here they are right here. They're coming over to the left.
And got them.
The sun's pretty bright. Circling around behind that tall pine tree.
There they are again.
Yeah. Well, it looks like they circled around a few times and now they're out of sight, so we'll go back to the house and oh, actually here they come. They're coming back right here. It looks like they finally figure out which way they needed to go. They're having a good time. Alright, it looks like they're coming back. Sorry guys, they're all behind these trees right here. But we'll head back to the house, and when they start coming in, I'll start recording them coming into the house, down to the wall, and just fingers crossed, I guess. Thanks for tuning in.